Just a heads up, guys, this is probably going to be a pretty shaky video. So I texted one of my buddies like an hour and a half ago, and I was like, hey, I got 3 drone batteries charged up. I need to fly them down so they're not sitting charged for so long, because that's bad for LiPo batteries, you know. And he was busy working, or so he said. And then an hour and a half later, I'm walking through the woods carrying a 10-foot ladder, a dog bed, and a ski mask. And I can hear you guys wondering, Steadfast RC, that's a weird combination of things. Why are you doing that? Well, since my buddy didn't come with me, he probably would have talked me out of doing this. I've crashed my drone inside of an area, and I need these things to get it back. So this is getting pretty brushy up here, and that went right up my nose. So I'm gonna continue through the woods till I get there. It's a little ways, and then I'll get back with you. So how my drone ended up landing inside of this area, it's hard to carry all this stuff through the woods, dog bed and 10-foot ladder. How my drone ended up landing in this area was, I was doing sort of a medium range test with Walk Snail, and I'm not sure if the battery on my HD0 goggles was too low or what the deal was, but I turned around and I was flying back a little ways, and the video just went totally black and didn't come back. So I knew about where it was, so all I could do is just drop throttle to a little bit less than a hover, hopefully let it come down easily, and then disarm, which is what I did. And then I used the radio lost model finder to find it, plus I had the beeper on it, and I was able to find it real quick. Looks like it landed perfectly, and I was not able to fly it back out of the area it landed. Had to go get these items, and now we're back to retrieve it. I think my buddy's right not to hang out with me sometimes. So we're almost out of the woods, as you can see right here. There is said area the drone landed in up here. You can see part of it. If you've never packed a 10-foot ladder and a dog bed through thick brush, I recommend it. Good exercise. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can hear the Lost Model beeper that I installed, the V-Fly beeper. I can hear it from here. Listen. So here's where the ski mask, dog bed, and ladder come into play. There's what the ladder's for. And can you guess what the dog bed's for yet? The ski mask could be pretty self-explanatory. There's the drone. There's the drone right there. All right, let's get this done and get out of here. Oh yeah, chewed up some props. Everything else looks all right. Unplug the battery and get out of here. All right, not gonna be able to film this part. Oh, we fit under there. Oh yeah, I can get it after I get over the fence. See you on the other side. Uninstalled the dog bed. Slide drone under fence. Retrieve evidence. Let's get out of here.